Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is bumbling. It's pronounced bum-b-ling, and it's spelt B-U-M-B-L-I-N-G. Think bum and then bling. Bumbling describes someone acting in a confused or ineffectual way. For example, you could say, "The bumbling man nearly knocked me over as he passed." The word bumbling comes from the word bumble, which means to move or act in an awkward or confused manner. In Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, Professor McGonagall famously scolds her students by calling them a babbling, bumbling band of baboons. This brilliant alliteration is a bit of a tongue twister. How fast can you say it? Have a go now. Babbling, bumbling band of baboons. There you go. I'm sure that you are talking, well, like a little bit of a bumbling fool right now. Bumbling is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, "I had never seen such bumbling stupidity." Bumbling can be turned into bumble, which is a verb meaning to move in an awkward manner. For example, she bumbled along down the street. Bumbling is defined in the dictionary as confused and showing no skill. Bumbling synonyms include blundering, lurching, stumbling, wobbling, lumbering, shuffling, staggering, tottering, bungling, awkward, butterfingered, clumsy, and graceless. Antonyms include efficient, effective, expert, logical, coherent, orderly, organized, methodical, and systematic. See if you notice anyone bumbling about today. For example, if your little brother or sister is running around the house, knocking over furniture and tripping over everything, tell them to stop bumbling around. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.